After a long day, when you get home, your legs might feel heavier and more tired than usual. You might notice your feet swelling, and occasionally, they might feel numb or tingly. Do any of these symptoms sound familiar to you? These symptoms could be indicative of poor blood circulation in your extremities. While these symptoms can be a part of the natural aging process, they can also result from other issues, such as compromised arteries or veins. This is particularly common in people with hypertension, diabetes, or those who smoke. Even though these symptoms might not always lead to major problems, it's important to treat poor circulation. If left untreated, it can result in serious complications such as varicose veins, cramps, clogged arteries, and even thrombosis. To naturally improve poor circulation, consider drinking diuretic teas such as green tea or parsley tea. Increasing your daily fluid intake, reducing salt consumption, and eating cayenne pepper can also help. Additionally, try to include more omega-3 rich foods, citrus fruits, and dark green vegetables in your diet. Did you know it's possible to improve blood circulation using natural remedies? An excellent home remedy for blood circulation is orange juice with parsley, which should be consumed especially by people with a family history of heart disease. The vitamin C present in this juice, when consumed in ideal amounts, acts on the blood vessels and also helps prevent hardening of the arteries. Other foods rich in vitamin C, which are also indicated to improve blood circulation, are pineapple, strawberries, kiwi. Vegetables like celery, beet leaves, and parsley also help improve circulation because they help reduce swelling, improving blood flow through the arteries. To facilitate treatment, it is recommended to use juices like the one we mentioned before. For this reason, today we will teach you 3 very easy natural juices to prepare, which can make all the difference in improving the health of your arteries and blood circulation. Here are our 3 favorite juices to treat poor circulation naturally. Orange juice with parsley. Orange juice with parsley is rich in potassium, a mineral that promotes sodium excretion through urine, in addition to having diuretic properties, helping to lower high blood pressure and combat fluid retention, helping to improve blood circulation. Ingredients: 3 oranges, 1 tangerine, 1 cucumber with skin, 1 tablespoon of parsley. Preparation: blend everything in a blender and drink immediately, without straining. The ideal is to drink this juice at least 3 times a week, so that it has the desired protective effect. Pineapple juice with ginger. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds that inhibit the formation of fat plaques in blood vessels, improving blood circulation and preventing diseases such as heart attack, atherosclerosis, and stroke. Ingredients: 5 slices of pineapple, 1/2 inch of ginger root, 1 glass of water. Preparation: blend all ingredients in a blender and drink after dinner. Carrot juice with celery. Because it contains beta-carotenes, compounds that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, carrots help control blood pressure since they promote artery health, facilitating blood circulation. Ingredients: 3 carrots, 1 glass of water, 1 celery stalk with or without leaves. Preparation: blend everything in a blender, strain, and sweeten to taste. Drink every day for breakfast or mid-afternoon. In addition to these recipes, one of the best ways to relieve poor circulation is simply to move your legs and arms during the day to facilitate blood circulation and prevent fluid buildup that can cause swelling. That's why regular physical activity is recommended. A simple 20-30-minute walk makes a big difference. If even after these changes you don't notice improvements, it's important to seek help from a health professional to better examine your case. Some symptoms require more attention, such as sudden swelling of the legs, feet, or arms, swelling in only one foot or hand, redness in the swollen foot or hand, shortness of breath, cough or sputum, fever, tingling. If you have several of these symptoms, it is advisable in this case to seek medical guidance to diagnose and assess the best treatment for your case. We hope to have helped you more and more to achieve good health. Check out other videos that we believe you may be interested in. They're appearing at the top of the screen. See you next time.